Hey guys, this is Brian and you are watching CSGO. Friends, we are constantly involved with computers. Whether we like it or not, and our future generation are totally dependent on this computer technology. We know that technology has greatly affected our way of life. Among them, the contribution of computer is much greater. Many complex tasks in our daily life, we live on the computer and they help us to get the job done faster. But nowadays, we can accomplish more complex tasks using some of the most advanced technology like robotics, machine learning, artificial intelligence and autonomous car. However, we communicate with someone every day for a reason, and most of the time we use language to do this communication. But there are many who do not know how to deal with computers. But know that in order to communicate with computers, you need to know some kinds of language, which we call programming language. And the effort to communicate with computers through this language is called computer programming. So what is computer programming? Computer programming is designing and building an executable computer program to accomplish a specific computing result, to perform a specific task. There are different types of programming language for communicate with computers like C, C#, C++, Java, Python and so on. Each programming language has its own characteristics, such as the syntax. Not clear, right? However, there is a close analogy between learning English language and programming language. The classical method of learning English is to learn their alphabets used in a language, then learn to combine these alphabets to form words, which in turn are combined to form sentence, and sentence are combined into form paragraph. Learning programming language is similar and easier. Before we learn how to write program, we must first know what alphabets, number and special symbols are used in programming. Then how to using them constant variable and keywords are constructed, and finally how are these combined to form an instruction. A group of instruction would be combined later on to form a program which instruct the computer to perform a specific task. In our next videos, we will discuss some of these different types of program and their algorithms in detail. So stay tuned for that. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like it and the notification bell so you get notified my future videos. Thank you guys.